Hello, beauties! Hearing that you look older than your age is a hard thing for any woman, isn't it? But the truth is, deep down, all of us want to look a bit younger, even if we don't openly admit it. Who wouldn't want to look fresher, more vibrant, and younger than their years? If you feel the same way, let's dive into some tips on how to achieve that youthful glow. Haircut and color. Your hair plays a huge role in your look. Long, dark hair can sometimes make the face appear heavier and give a more mature look. On the other hand, shorter hairstyles not only make you look younger, but also give a fresh, modern feel. Try going for layered cuts that frame the face, or lighter shades like honey blonde or light brown that bring brightness to your face. Light and natural makeup. Makeup is a fantastic tool to enhance your look, but heavy dark tones can sometimes age us. Light, natural makeup not only keeps your look youthful, but also gives a fresh, clean vibe. Choose natural lip colors and a bit of mascara to keep things simple, brightening up your face without weighing it down. Highlighting your natural beauty is one of the best ways to look younger and more energized. If you're interested in more makeup tips like this, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for upcoming tutorials on achieving that effortless look. Skincare, the secret to radiance and freshness. Skincare is your best friend when it comes to fighting signs of aging. Moisturizing morning and night keeps the skin hydrated and maintains its elasticity, giving it that youthful, radiant look. And on my channel, I've shared the most effective face masks just for you. These masks instantly refresh and firm your skin, targeting a variety of concerns. After using them even once, you'll see your skin looking more refreshed and youthful. If you're curious about the best masks for your skin, subscribe and watch to discover my top choices. Clothing style, colors that add. Youth your clothing can also make a significant difference. Very serious, dark colors can sometimes make you look older. Instead, pastels, light shades, and bright colors can add energy and give a younger appearance. These colors brighten up your face and give a stylish yet youthful look. Choosing simple but bright colors can make you look both young and fashionable. For more fashion advice, head over to my channel, where I share some fabulous outfit ideas. I'm sure you'll find combinations you love. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more.